So as a full specialist, I wanted to give my girlies an option of either coming to me and getting their lashes done or having something that they can do at home themselves whenever they couldn't get an appointment with me. So I started using VI's Beauty lash clusters, and when I tell you, ladies, it is so easy to put these on. I'm about to give you guys a tutorial. If you are a hybrid girly, this one is the one that you need to wear. So they have different ones, different options if you want fuller, if you want a more lighter look like a classic set. But if you are like a light full, not too full, but like still drama, still kind of professional, you can wear it to work, wear it outside. These ones are my favorite. So this is how the lashes look. So they come in different sizes. You have 10s, you have 12s, 14, 16, and 18 is the longest length. So as you can see, I have been using mine. Depending on your eye shape, all you really need is 4 lash clusters. Literally, just 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want a more bolder look, you can double stack them with another 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll be good. But I like to just put 4 because I feel like they look perfect for me. They also do have fluffier ones, so I wouldn't recommend double stacking them because they have fluffier ones that you can try. You can purchase the lashes separate, the glue separate, and the remover separate, but I just buy the whole entire kit together every single time I have to re-up because it's just more hygienic to me. So my go-to length for everyday wear is 114, 114, 114, and a 12. But today, since it's your girl's birthday, I am going to be doing 16, 16, 14, and a 12. All right, so your girl is about to get real up close and personal, okay? So it's like a mascara. This is the glue part, the bond, and you just put it on literally like a mascara. Now, I like to more so focus on getting it on the root of my lid than swiping it as a mascara. Like I like to just kind of like up there, like that. I like to just kind of like make sure it is tucked on the lid. Make sure you get in here. Easy, right? So then I'm going to grab my 16, latch it on the end. Boom. I'm going to do another 16. Latch it very close. Try not to have any gaps. Boom. Now I'm going to do a 14. Then I'm going to do my 12. Done. Then you're going to take this part. Boom. Boom. Look at that difference. You can see it. Bold, ready to go, and needs a little work. So then you're going to take the sealer after you're done. Right? That's how it looks. And you are just going to seal it. That's it. It is so ready. It doesn't burn anything. And then my last tip. So I took my and I kind of just go and I'm gonna use my mirror for this part and like not so hard, but I kind of just seal them together a little bit more. Perfect. Just like that. Guys, look. My look is complete. Like there's nothing like a good lash set at all. Okay. And yes, these are waterproof. I have been in the ocean. I've been jet skiing on cruises. I've been to festivals, carnivals with my lashes on, and they do not come off, guys. They're super lightweight and comfortable. Like I be forgetting I even have them on. Oh, and the most important thing, guys, is yes, you can absolutely wash them. After every 2 days with makeup, with working all day at the spa, I wash my lashes like regular lash extensions. I take my shampoo, my brush, I go in the shower, and they do not come off. I'm telling you, the key is just mastering how to put them on together and seal them, and you guys are good to go. So I hope you guys like it and get it, and you're welcome. I'm a girl's girl, so if you're not coming to me for your lash appointments, I still got your back. I want you to look cute.